Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Numerous digital money projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their ventures and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond, Egld, is one of those conventions that is centered around building an innovative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some degree control the framework state, which helps construct the organization structure. This organization has released another condition of advanced design and innovation. Yet, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond biological system, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecasts. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the presentation of your venture would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination devices and expectation specialists. What is Elrond, Egld? Elrond network, additionally alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers, Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. Be that as it may, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain foundation that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the proof-of-stake (SPOS) agreement component. It has a greatest stock of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thusly diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes, yet the confirmation of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has supported the end of PC waste and safeguarding of energy while focusing on their trustworthiness through an exceptional component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond-centered designers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at a charge of $0.001. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a gigantic accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Avalanche. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, remunerating validators, and installment of organization expenses. Likewise, the simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it amateur amicable and modest to make do. Elrond is the main organization that permits the concurrent execution of the relative multitude of three qualities of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring inner dangers and outside attacks was planned. Egld has extraordinary potential in light of its high-scale security framework plan, borderless exchanges, implementation of shrewd agreements, permissionless advanced economy, and energetic local area. Elrond, Egld, fundamental analysis. Elrond network sent off their May-IR exchange, a DeFi convention that gives a stage to clients to give liquidity to pools and furthermore buy Egld tokens straightforwardly from their application because of their organization with MoonPay. This cooperation gave Egld admittance to that biggest retail economy and furthermore helped the flood of money to the convention as additional designers and more people snatch segments of the token. The token got recorded on many significant stages like Binance, Gcoin, and OKX. The organization keeps building broad measures to guarantee the appropriate conveyance of its foundation to additional people, as its guide expressed. Egld is an imposing power in the security area of the cryptographic money market. Elrond likewise joined forces with Copper, a computerized care supplier, and has put forth many attempts in the development of digital currency schooling by subsidizing crypto foundations. Adaptability. Elrond's special procedure and sharding process has given it a higher control over its rivals like Zilliqa, ZIL. The convention attempts to keep an inventory of Egld tokens that are utilized to stake on the organization during its most memorable year, with the validator hubs getting a 36% every year. The organization keeps introducing itself as an innovative computerized economy for decentralized applications and business use, developing to make Egld a store of significant worth with a dynamic environment. To guarantee a quicker pace of reception in the genuine and virtual world, the task started to help engineers making on their foundation and furthermore permitting them to procure more than 30% of the Savvy contract charges as sovereignties. Elrond, Egld, current price. Elrond is presently worth $53.41. Egld has moved -0.88% as of now with an exchanging volume of $33,891,746. Elrond is presently positioned 42 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,230,137,579. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Egld. The Egld cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $80.12. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $74.78 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $64.10. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Elrond Egld cost prediction has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $133.54. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Egld's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Egld will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $106.83 and a typical exchanging cost of $117.51. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $186.95 and Egld might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Egld is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $170.93 and a low of $160.24 in 2024. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2025. Assuming Elrond effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Egld coin cost could